Want to take your shirt off? Is that Nemo on your shirt?
He doesn't know Nemo.
No, I realize that he doesn't know anything. He knows Elmo.
Abba.
And Abba.
Abby.
Abby. Abby Cadabby.
And
Abba.
Abby. And aw, baby.
Abba.
You want to show Grandma Abby?
Where's Abby? Where's Abby?
Chris.
Is Abby the pink thing?
Yeah. She's a fairy.
A fairy. I guess we're videotaping him.
Yeah.
We can videotape him hitting his head too.
No. We have that on videotape already. But he was with Sal, not me. It'd be fun if he did that and farted.
Oh, Cooley Heart? Oh.
That's scary.
Grandma gonna go to sleep.